Jonathan H. How many times is x going to x squared? So when you guys say once, what do you mean? What do you write there? Jonathan H. Just an x. Okay, Jocelyn, once we write an x here, what do we do next? So that was division, right? Now what, Jocelyn? We multiply is correct. Jocelyn, go ahead and multiply for us. And then x times 4. No. X times 4. 4x. All right, what do we do next? Armando J.
You bring down the...
Almost. That's 2 steps ahead.
You get a negative.
Yeah, what's the negative called? What math operation?
Subtraction.
Yeah, we're going to subtract. Armando J, go ahead and subtract for us.
Negative x squared. We bring out the x squared and it cancels out.
Okay.
Minus x.
So, negative 1. So if it helps students, write it negative 1. Negative 1 minus 4.
You get 5x.
Negative 1 minus 4.
You get 5x.
Negative 5x. Nick, what do I do next? Good. What's next, Nick? So bring down. Correct. So what we're doing right here is we're repeating, and what you just did was division, right? Good job, Nick. Jesse V, finish this off. Negative 5. Yes. And if I subtract those, what do I get? I get 0. Raise your hand if you got that. Okay, we've been practicing long division for a couple of days. Now I want you to put your pencils down. You'll have time to copy later. And now I'm going to connect this to synthetic division. Okay? It's going to go by so fast, you're going to be like, what happened? The first thing we're going to have to do is we're going to have to get a number from here to over here. Although it's technically not called the zero product rule, I call it the zero product rule. And what you basically do is all you do is you set this equal to 0. And if you solve for x, x is equal to what? X is equal to a negative 4. So that's how you first start synthetic division. I'm going from the factor x plus 4 to x equals negative 4. You're just watching. Watch. Now we're going to look at the coefficients. Everyone say coefficients? That's just the number in front. What's the number in front of x squared? 1. Over here? negative 1. And over here, negative 20. I'm going to write out the steps as we do them. Again, you're just watching. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it down. The next thing I'm going to do is multiply. Negative 4 times 1 is what, class? Negative 4. The next thing I'm going to do is add. Adding and subtracting are essentially the same thing. Class, negative 1 plus a negative 4, or negative 1 minus 4? Negative 5. And then I'm going to keep repeating these two steps. Repeat number 2 and 3, which basically means keep multiplying. Class, negative 4 times negative 5? Positive 20, and then we're going to add down. Negative 20 plus 20 is 0. So what does that mean? Watch this. 0 is our what? Remainder. We're doing the same exact problem. Okay? That means this negative 5 represents the constant, and the 1 here represents a 1x, or just an x. So our answer is x minus 5. So we've done long division, and now I've shown you synthetic division. You're going to have to show me that you know both of these math skills.